What is your advice for people that aren't very social and have a hard time making friends? Get the hell out there and practice, man. I had a client, very introverted person, very badly served by her parents, not very well socialized, extremely socially anxious, awkward in her social interactions as well, so not skilled. And also alone. She didn't have an intimate relationship or really any family. So quite isolated person and terrified of social interactions. Like she couldn't even go out and have a coffee with me as her therapist as a practice exercise when we first met. And man, she's made progress like you wouldn't believe. Like unbelievable progress. Doing public appearances on stage even. Go to Toastmasters. Do some public speaking. Join meetup.com. Ask people questions. That's a really good thing. If you're not very social and you get self-conscious, you start thinking about yourself and how stupid you are, that's a really bad idea. You should be paying attention to the other person. So if you get nervous, it isn't that you have to stop being nervous because that isn't going to work. What you have to do is start paying more attention to the other person. You have to force your attention outward. And, you can ask people questions. Listen to them. And when they say something interesting or they say something you don't understand, ask them a question. And people love that, man, because they know you're listening to them and people love being listened to. So if you're nervous, learn to listen better and learn to ask questions. And there's no stupid questions if you're paying attention, right? And so you don't have to worry about that. If you don't know something and you ask an honest question and someone treats you badly because of it, then you should just go away from that person because they don't have a clue. So get out there. Forget about trying to not be nervous because you're going to be nervous. But when you're nervous, pay more attention to other people. Listen to them carefully. Watch them. Because then your natural social abilities will kick in, and ask them questions. And, you'll assume it'll take you 3 or 4 years to get decently good at it and that you'll really have to work at it. But it's worth it, man. So just go out there and do it. And you'll figure it out. You'll figure it out.